So behind me is my Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio that I've owned for just over a week now. And I thought, you know what, Christmas is done, the sun is out and the roads are relatively quiet. So I'm gonna take it for a drive and show you guys just what it's like to drive on the UK roads and also give you a chance to listen to it. Because when I was looking to buy mine, I saw loads of videos from the US, but not much in the UK. So here I am. Now, just to cover the specification quickly, as we can see, it's a Montreal Green car, which is my favorite color. I've had two Giulia Quadrifolios before in Jafeo White and Montreal Green, and when I was looking for a Stelvio, it had to be the green. We've got the upgraded dark 5-hole alloy wheels, which were in awesome condition, wrapped in falcons and matching with those yellow calipers really nicely. We've got the panoramic roof, green seat belts, upgraded carbon steering wheel, Harman Kardon, active cruise control, etc. And then when we come around to the back end, we can also see we've got some aftermarket carbon tips on the exhaust, but it is not a Krapovich system, which I'm probably going to take these tips off in the coming days. We've also got some nice other carbon touches, but other than that, let's get to driving.